Hello everyone, you are the latest market news on June 26, 2020. Trump's administration aims to invalidate the ACA. U.S. President Donald Trump's administration late on Thursday asked the U.S. Supreme Court to invalidate the law named as Affordable Care Act, which added millions of Americans to the country's healthcare safety net. Earlier in the day, administration said it would ask the court to declare the ACA illegal, setting up what is likely to be a key political battleground in this year's presidential election. Back in 2016, Trump has criticized healthcare costs under this law and promised to replace it with a different plan. In turn, the Democratic House of Representatives Speaker Nancy Pelosi described this move as unfathomable cruelty amid the coronavirus outbreak, which has hit the United States harder than any other country. PG&E exits from bankruptcy, raising $5.5 billion. The Pacific Gas and Electric Company, PG&E, has raised about $5.5 billion from a share offering and sale of equity units. The biggest U.S. power provider by customers sold around 423 million shares at $9.50 apiece to raise about $4 billion, while separate previously announced equity units offering raised just under $1.20 billion, giving in net proceeds after costs of around $5.15 billion. The share offering was 2.4% less than the stock Thursday close. The fundraising took place days after a U.S. bankruptcy court approved the company's Chapter 11 reorganization plan, taking in a step closer to exiting from bankruptcy. Dollar falls, shares rise on recovery uncertainty. The U.S. dollar steadied on Friday but was set for its biggest weekly drop in 3 weeks, and concerns over growing coronavirus infections raised doubt over the U.S. economic outlook. The euro edged 0.1% higher versus the dollar and was set for its biggest rise in 3 weeks. Against its other European rivals such as the Norwegian krone and the Swedish currency, it rose as much as 0.2% each. With markets undecided between hopes of a quick economic recovery and fears of a second wave of infections, the share showed some gains, with U.S. stock futures rose 0.1%, while European futures, German DAX, Britain's FTSE, and Eurostoxx 50 all rose about 1%. In Asia, MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan climbed 0.5%, and Japan's Nikkei surged 1.3%. Amazon will buy startup Zoox for more than $1 billion. American retail giant Amazon.com Inc. will pay over $1 billion in an acquisition of the self-driving startup Zoox Inc., which would help the company to expand the reach in autonomous vehicle technology. The Wall Street Journal reported last month that the companies were in advanced talks, but the deal could value Zoox at less than the $3.2 billion it achieved in a funding round 2018. Overall, majority of Zoox investors, including Lux Capital, DFJ, and Atlassian co-founder Michael Cannon-Brookes, getting their money back, with some making a positive return. This is a testament to the success of the startup.